Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Gul. Today we have a 7-minute English intermediate and beginner English quiz. This quiz will help you to improve your grammar, English vocabulary and as well as spoken English. Try to answer before I reveal the correct answer. So let's start the video.
Section 1. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1 is she dashed to the market yesterday. 1 is go, 2 is went, 3 is gone. She went to the market yesterday. The correct answer is went. Went. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. 1. I have seen that movie last week. 2. I saw that movie last week. 3. I seen that movie last week. Which will be the correct sentence? Let's repeat question number 2. Choose the correct sentence. 1. I have seen that movie last week. 2. I saw that movie last week. 3. I seen that movie last week. The correct sentence is I saw that movie last week. Question number 3 is if I dash you, I would study more. 1. Am, 2. Were, 3. Was. Let's repeat. If I dash you, I would study more. If I dash you, I would study more. The correct answer is were. Why? Because this is called second conditional. We use it for imaginary situation and advice. Structure is if plus subject plus verb plus subject plus would plus base verb. For example, if I were rich, I would travel the world. If she were here, she would help us. I hope you understand this question number 3. Question number 4 is he is good dash playing chess. 1 in, 2 at, 3 on. Let's repeat. He is good dash playing chess. 1 in, 2 at, 3 on. Which will be the correct answer? He is good dash playing chess. In, at, on. The correct sentence will be he is good at playing chess. Because good at plus activity. Question number 5 is choose the correct sentence. 1. She did not went to school. 2. She did not go to school. 3. She did not going to school. Let's repeat. She did not went to school. She did not go to school. And the last one is she did not going to school. Which will be the correct sentence? The correct sentence is she did not go to school. Why? Because after did and did not, we always use the base form of the verb we1. The structure is subject plus did not plus base verb. So, did already shows past tense. So, the verb stays in base form. Section 2. Vocabulary and phrasal verbs. Section 2. Question number 6 is, what does look up to mean? First one, to search in a box. Second, to admire someone. Third, to fall down. Let's repeat the question. What does look up to mean? To search in a box, to admire someone, to fall down. What does look up to mean? To admire someone. Look up to means to admire or respect someone. For example, when you think someone is great, successful, or inspiring, you look up to them. For example, I look up to my teacher. She look up to her mother. Many students look up to successful people. Question number 7 is, choose the correct synonym for difficult. 1. Easy. 2. Hard. 3. Soft. Let's repeat the question. Choose the correct synonym for difficult. 1 is easy. 2 is hard. And 3 is soft. Which will be the correct synonym for difficult? The correct synonym for difficult is hard, because hard has the same meaning as difficult. When talking about tasks or problems, for example, the exam was hard. The exam was difficult. Question number 8 is, he dashed the lights before leaving. 1 is turn off, 2 is turn on, and 3 is turn up. Which will be the correct sentence? He dashed the lights before leaving. Turn off, turn on, turn up. The full sentence is, he turned off the lights before leaving. Because turn off, switching off or stop electricity, and turn on, start electricity, and turn up, increase volume. Before leaving a room, we usually turn off the lights. Turn off. Question number 9 is, I need to dash my homework before tomorrow. First is do, second is make, and third is take. Which will be the correct sentence? I need to dash my homework before tomorrow. Do, make, take. I need to do my homework before tomorrow. The full sentence is, I need to do my homework before tomorrow, because we use do with tasks, work, and activities. And make is used for creating something. And take is used for receiving or carrying something. So the correct sentence is, I need to do my homework before tomorrow. Question number 10 is, break the ice means 1. Start a conversation. 2. Literally break ice. 3. Make a mistake. Let's repeat. Break the ice means start a conversation. Literally break ice. 3. Make a mistake. Break the ice means start a conversation, because to start a conversation in a situation where people feel shy, nervous, or uncomfortable. For example, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Why not literally break the ice? Because this is physical meaning, not idiom. Question number 11 is, I dash tea every morning. Drink, drinks, Drinking. Let's repeat the question. I dash tea every morning. One is drink, two is drinks, and the third one and the last one is drinking. Which will be the correct answer? Drink, drinks, and drinking. I dash tea every morning. I drink tea every morning because drink base verb used with I, you, we, they in present simple, and drinks only used with he, she, it. And drinking is a present continuous would need am. Question number 12 is she dash my best friend. Number 1 is are, 2 is am, and 3 is. Let's repeat the question. She dash my best friend. Are, am, is. Which will be the correct sentence? The full sentence will be she dash my best friend is. She is my best friend because is used with he, she, it, and am is used with I, and are is used with you, we, they. So the correct sentence and the full sentence will be she is my best friend. Question number 13 is what is the correct plural of child? 1 is childs, 2 is children, and 3 is children's. What is the correct plural of child? What is the correct plural of child? Childs, children, children's. The second one, children, is the correct plural of child. Question number 14 is choose the correct sentence. 1. I am student. 2. I am a student. 3. I student. Which will be the correct sentence? I am student, I am a student, and I student. The correct sentence is I am a student. Why I am student not and why I student not? So I student is missing the verb am, so it's grammatically wrong. I'm student missing the article a before a singular countable noun. Question number 15 is I'm looking forward dash meeting you. 1, 2, second 4, and 3 is 8. Which will be the correct sentence? Let's repeat. I'm looking forward dash meeting you. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 8. Let's repeat the question. I'm looking forward dash meeting you. The correct sentence in the full sentence will be I'm looking forward to meeting you. Why for and why at not? Because the phrase look forward to is always followed by a noun. For example, I look forward to your reply. A verb in ing form, for example, I look forward to meeting you. Question number 16 is which one is correct? First one, discuss about the problem. 2, discuss the problem. And the third one is discuss on the problem. Let's repeat the question. Discuss about the problem, discuss the problem, and discuss on the problem. The correct sentence is discuss the problem because the verb discuss does not need a preposition. Discuss about the problem is incorrect and discuss on the problem is incorrect. The correct usage is discuss plus noun.
Well done. How many answers did you get right? Comment your score below. I would love to see who mastered these intermediate and beginner English questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the next quiz.